In celebration of Chinese New Year and the Year of the Rabbit, G-Shock has gifted us a brand new MTG with gold ion plating. The G-Shock Supermoon MTG B3000CX-9 is an extravagant watch to say the least. Right away, we're treated to an all-gold tone case and bracelet, made to contrast a black dial with shiny red accents. Look closely and you'll see that the dial has been patterned with moon craters and texture. The moon surface continues to the bezel, and I think that this aesthetic looks even better in stainless steel and gold ion plating. The case comes in at 51.9mm lug-to-lug and a 50.9mm width, so it's going to be a bigger watch on your wrist. Even still, new techniques have allowed G-Shock to slim down their MTG B3000 by attaching the lugs and guards to the case back. As a result, a 12.1mm thickness is pretty good. On the case back itself, we get a fun illustration inspired by the Rabbit on the Moon folklore. Let us know what you think about this design, it's an interesting one for sure. Of course, you expect the best from an MTG. This is one of G-Shock's true premium ranges after all. You'll be happy to know that this watch is as tough as they come, with a dual core guard structure using resin and metal components. G-Shock claims it's resistant to shock, centrifugal force, vibration, and there's a strong 200-meter water resistance too. You'll also see that the bracelet has a comfortable resin padding, perfect if you love the look of stainless steel but the feel of resin. This layered composite strap has a comfortable and lightweight presence on your wrist, and it's definitely a great addition to this timepiece. The Supermoon Year of the Rabbit features Bluetooth and smartphone connection, as well as multiband 6 radio-controlled timekeeping, for top-of-the-line accuracy. You'll also enjoy tough solar charging and high-performance LED light on the dial. This timepiece comes with the full range of G-Shock features, which means it's good to keep it close and make use of your full auto calendar and chronograph functions. I'm a big fan of the MTG B3000CX-9 because it makes such a great statement timepiece, but you can trust G-Shock's handiwork to keep it going and going.